How are you all my channel subscriber? Today my video is about AOMEI backuper free, especially for WannaCry ransomware, and it is a AOMEI backup free version. In this video I tell you how to create a media bootable media. Make a bootable rescue media such as CD, DVD or USB drive. I close the software. I already installed the software. Its name is OMEI backup free version. I run this. And is giving the information if your system has not been attacked by WannaCry ransomware virus. You can protect your system or important file by backing them using system backup. अगर आपका जो है सिस्टम जो है रैंसमवेयर के अटैक में मुतासर नहीं हुआ तो आप अपने फाइल्स को या सिस्टम को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं सिस्टम बैकअप के ज़रिए। इस सॉफ्टवेयर को इस्तेमाल करके उसमें ऑप्शन आप यूज कर सकते हैं फाइल बैकअप, डिस्क बैकअप और पार्टीशन बैकअप फीचर इन AOMEI बैकअपर। If your system has already been attacked by WannaCry ransomware virus, you can create or image for the system disk or a partition using system backup, disk backup or partition backup feature before removing the virus. और वायरस को रिमूव करने से पहले आप ये जो है अप्लाई करेंगे. दिस अवॉइड्स डाटा लॉस caused by the inappropriate operations or virus variants. I want to backup data. Create a bootable media. Tip: if the system has already been attacked, to create a backup. If the system has already been attacked, अगर सिस्टम पहले ही मुतासर हो गया, अटैक हो गया है, to create a backup without virus running. पहले जो है वायरस को बगैर रन किए आप एक बैकअप क्रिएट करें. इट इज़ सजेस्टेड टू क्रिएट ए बूटेबल डिवाइस इन एडवांस. ये आपको नसीहत की जा रही है कि आप एक बूटेबल डिवाइस पहले से ही तैयार करके देख लें. बूट योर कंप्यूटर फ्रॉम द डिवाइस एंड रन द ऑफलाइन बैकअप. अपने कंप्यूटर को फिर चलाएं और ऑफलाइन बैकअप बनाएं. तो हम जो है इसी नसीहत के अमल करते हुए I want to create a bootable media suggested by AOMEI backup free to create bootable media to protect from ransomware. So I click on the create bootable media. This program detect your system supports getting the bootable disk. Click next. So use USB boot device, Kingston Data Traveler 3.0. Export ISO file B. It has different options: burn to CD, DVD, USB boot device, storage media. I choose USB boot device and then next. Create bootable disk. The expression which calls that your USB disk 1 Kingston Data Traveler 3.0 is formatted. We recommend that you backup your important data on the disk and then rerun the operation. Or you want to format this disk? So I want to yes. I already backup my USB drive data. The name back. So I want to format now. Do not unplug the USB device during creation, processing, preparing to create WinP image. And it is create the image to protect from ransomware attack. Create a bootable media in advance so that you can protect your system from ransomware. and it is a creation process. There is a stop on 10%. Besides this, there is a we will talk about different options. On the home, there is a two option: create bootable media. I want to backup data. In the backup, we create a system backup. System backup mean Windows backup. Beside this, file backup, we can easily backup files like Word file, Excel file, and this beside this file backup and system backup, there is option disk backup. We can create a disk backup hard disk. We backup our hard disk to an image file. हम जो है अपनी हार्ड डिस्क को जो है एक इमेज फाइल में सेव कर सकते हैं. पार्टीशन बैकअप पार्टीशन और डायनेमिक वॉल्यूम्स टू एन इमेज फाइल. हम अपनी पार्टीशन को और डायनेमिक वॉल्यूम्स को इमेज फाइल में भी सेव कर सकते हैं. उसके अलावा देयर इज़ अनदर ऑप्शंस रीस्टोर, सिस्टम रीस्टोर, क्लोनिंग. We clone a hard disk drive to another. We duplicate the same data on one hard drive to another hard drive on newly purchased hard drive. By using disk cloning option is the feature which our present hard drive data will be transferred to a newly purchased hard drive. It is clone the data on the present hard drive to a new hard drive. Partition clone clone a partition or volume data from one to another. And there is some utilities: check image, check the data integrity of the backup image, create a bootable media, explore image, mount an image to a virtual partition for browsing via my computer, import export configuration file to manage your backup task. So I check the option. There is a arrive at 58%. If we want to upgrade this software, how much is the price of this software? And this is a free version, and there is a comparison between choose whether or not to upgrade EMI backup free to paid editions. What is the difference between EMI backup free and is EMI backup pro, EMI backup server?